Hi friends. Welcome to Money Sorcery channel. At any point of time if you feel this video is valuable for you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. So, let us quickly discuss about today's market updates. BSE Sensex is down by 732.96 points, that is 0.98%, and settled at 73,878.15 points. Nifty 50 is down by 172.35 points, that is 0.76%, and settled at 22,475.85 points. Bank Nifty is down by 307.50 points, that is 0.62%, and settled at 48,923.55 points. Nifty Midcap 100 Index is down by 179.95 points, that is 0.35%, and settled at 50,935.15 points. Nifty Small Cap 100 Index is down by 82.90 points, that is 0.49%, and settled at 16,936.50 points. On consolidated basis, JSW Infrastructure reported 9.84% rise in net profit to 330.01 crore rupees in Q4 financial year 24 as against 300.44 crore rupees recorded in Q4 financial year 24. Revenue from operations grew by 19.78% year-on-year to 1,096.38 crore rupees in the quarter ended 31st March 2024. Profit before tax stood at 417.37 crore rupees in Q4 FY24, up 41.28% as compared with 295.43 crore rupees posted in the corresponding quarter last year. EBITDA in Q4 FY24 was at 685 crore rupees, registering a growth of 29% YoY. EBITDA margin improved to 57.1% in the March quarter as against 54.4% reported in the same period a year ago. MRF on Friday reported a standalone net profit of 379.6 crore rupees for the fourth quarter of financial year 24, a decline of 7.6% from 410.7 crore rupees in the year-ago period. The tire manufacturer's revenue from operations in Q4 financial year 24 rose 8.6% to 6,215.1 crore rupees from 5,725.4 crore rupees on a year-on-year basis. Earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization in the March quarter increased 5% to 885.7 crore rupees from 843.1 crore rupees, while EBITDA margin weakened to 14.3% from 14.7% year-on-year. The Board of Directors of MRF have recommended a final dividend of 194 rupees or 1,940% per equity share of face value of 10 rupees each. HFCL company says they are optimistic about outlook for demand of telecom equipment and also on restoration of optical fiber cable demand from quarter to financial year 25 onwards both in India and key global markets. Company says introduction of new 5G telecom networking equipment and defense products will yield even better results in coming quarters. Adani Green Energy Q4 results. Adani Green Energy announced its January to March quarter results for fiscal 2023-24, Q4 financial year 24, on Friday, 3rd May, reporting a drop of 70% in net profit at 150 crore rupees compared to 508 crore rupees in the corresponding period last year. The Adani Group's renewable energy arm's revenue from operations in the fourth quarter of financial year 24 dropped 2% to 2,527 crore rupees compared to 2,587 rupee crore in the year-ago period. Ajanta Pharma stock reacted positively today because of good results of yesterday and buyback of shares. Dronacharya Aerial Innovations Company says acquisition of work order valued at AED 239819 from Alter Dynamics and Artificial Intelligence. Bajaj Auto says it sold 18 million Pulsars till date. The Pulsar brand has earned 10,000 crore rupees since launch in 2001. Bajaj Auto also to launch its world's first CNG motorcycle on 18 June 2024. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more updates.